भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello everyone. Okay, so last we have done with the 1 2 3 question of the chapter number 13 money of the revision sheet, right? And you got the homework as a 1 2 3 questions of the same that you have to do in the revision sheet only, right? Okay, now today we are going to move forward into that one. The next question is like about the subtraction, then fourth question, which is subtraction between the money. So let me do one for you, remaining you can do it by yourself. Okay, okay, so the question is like question number 4, subtraction. Let's do the first question. Rupees 890.54 minus rupees 354.87. So let's write that in the column form. Then इसको हमें कॉलम फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा. बड़ी वाली ना नंबर, बड़ा वाला जो नंबर है वो पहले लिखेंगे हम. Rupees minus 354.87 rupees, and we have to do the subtraction, right? Okay, now let's do the subtraction. 4 minus 7 cannot be done, so we have to cut it like that. 5 will be cutted, become 4. This 4 will be cutted and become 10 plus 4, 14. Right? Now, 14 minus 7, we are remain with the 7. Right? 4 minus 8. Again, we have to take the borrow from this 0. And that is not possible. So, we have to take the borrow from this 9. So, this 9 will be cutted, become 8. This 0 will be cutted and become 10. Now we can take the borrow from this 10. This 10 will be cutted, become 9. Right? Now this 4 become 14 because we have take the borrow from this one. हमने यहाँ पे कौन सी प्रोसेस की, देखो यहाँ पर 4 में से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो सकता है, तो हमने यहाँ से बोरो लिया, राइट? बट ये 0 है तो उसमें से बोरो नहीं ले सकते हम, तो हमें 9 में से लेना पड़ेगा. 9 में से बोरो लिया तो ये 8 हो जाएगा और ये 0 का 10 हो जाएगा. अभी हम 10 में से बोरो ले सकते हैं बिकॉज हमें यहाँ पर चाहिए नंबर बड़ा. डन? सो 10 में से बोरो लेंगे, सो इट 10 बिकम 9 एंड दिस 4 बिकम 14. राइट? नाउ वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 14 माइनस 8 रिमेन विद द 6 पॉइंट का पॉइंट. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. So the answer is rupees 535.67. Second question, do it by yourself. Okay, last question of this chapter. which is word problems. Okay, so there are 4 word problems are given. Then some of them I am doing over here. Some of you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Okay, so I am doing the first one. And the fourth one. First one and fourth one I am doing right now. Then word problems. Remaining 2, that means you have to do it by yourself. Okay. A pen cost rupees 41.50. Find the cost of 6 pen. So that means एक पेन का cost कितना है 41.50. Then you have to find the cost of 6 pen. Okay. Now यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना रहेगा, ये हमें लिखना रहेगा यूनिटरी मेथड में सेंटेंस वाइज, राइट. सो हमें यहाँ पर यूनिट का प्राइस पहले से दे दिया है. डन, कि एक प्राइस एक पेन का कॉस्ट जो है वो दे दिया है हमें 6 पेन का कॉस्ट फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो विल राइट डायरेक्टली द आंसर एज अ, you can write this in the sentence form like cost of 1 pen is equals to rupees 41.50, right? Okay, so then cost of 6 pen, 6 पेन चाहिए हमें, is equals to what? So now जब इस तरह का सेंटेंस फॉर्म आए तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि कैसे करना है आपको क्रॉस प्रोडक्शन. यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगा देना, दैट मीन्स इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा और ये जो नंबर होगा वो डिवाइड में जाएगा. सो इट मीन्स दैट 41.50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 and this 1 could be in the divide. बट यहाँ पे हमें वो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज 1 को अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, राइट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई दिस साइड. 41.50 multiply by 6. Then it's just a simple multiplication, only the decimal point is there, right? 5 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. 0 here. 3 carry over in the 1 on the 1. Okay, now यहाँ पर पॉइंट का पॉइंट आ जाएगा, पॉइंट अपनी जगह पर वापस पुट कर देना है. देन सो बाद में आपको कंफ्यूजन ना हो कि पॉइंट कहाँ पर था. जब यहाँ पर ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जब पॉइंट का नंबर आए तब वहां पर पॉइंट पुट कर देना है. देन ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9 and 6 4s are 24. So the answer is 249.00. Then okay, so after the point there are 0 0, so no need to write that. So as per that, directly the answer is rupees 249 only. That means 249. Then okay, now as this one is the word problem, then ये word problem है तो हमें ये आंसर जो है वो सेंटेंस फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा. Then so you can write like that: the cost of 6 pen is rupees 249. Understood? Okay. Okay, now let's do the next question of this kind. Fourth question, I guess I am telling you about that. Okay, now let's do the fourth question. Question number 4 of word problems. Okay, let's read the question. A man bought a belt for rupees 102.25, a shirt for rupees 248.9090, and a set of handkerchief for rupees 59.60. He gave the shopkeeper rupees 500 note. How much money would the shopkeeper return? तो वो कितने मनी रिटर्न करेगा? So clearly in this one, this is a bill type of question, right? So in this one, it is not mentioned in the question that we have to make the bill, but वो bill type का ही question है. Then let's make the bill for that one. इसमें मेंशन नहीं किया है, बट बिल का कोई क्वेश्चन है नहीं, तो ये फोर्थ वाला हम बिल के फॉर्म में कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, so let's make the bill. Over here we write the serial number, item name, rate, quantity, and total cost. Then so we are making the bill over here in short. Okay, so we have 3 products. 1, 2. So as per that I am making just 3 rows only. Over here it will come as the grand total, right? Addition of all of them. Third. Okay, so the item, we have 3 items. We have belt, shirt, and the last one is handkerchief. Right? Let's write the rate of all of them. Okay, so belt rate is rupees 102.25. Shirt rate is 248.90, and handkerchief rate is rupees 59.60. Done? Okay, see, this is the word problem question, but I am doing as a bill problem. Okay, so लास्ट में क्वेश्चन में ही लिख देना कि मेक अ बिल फॉर दैट. देन जो क्वेश्चन लिखा है उसमें क्वेश्चन में ही लिख देना मेक अ बिल फॉर दैट. मे बी वहाँ पे जो जगह है उतने में अगर ना समाए तो यू कैन ड्रॉ दैट इन योर नोटबुक ऑल्सो. देन क्वांटिटीज आर 1 1 1 ओनली. दैट मीन्स एक एक क्वांटिटीज ही ले रहे हैं. देन सो द टोटल कॉस्ट विल बी सेम ओनली. No change in the total cost, that is rupees 102.25, rupees 248.90, and rupees 59.60. Done. Now let's add them. You have to find the total of them. Prime this 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. 5, 2 plus 9, 11, plus 6, 17. 7. Now point का point as it is put कर देना है. Done. Now let's add them. 2 plus 8, 10, plus 9, 19. 9 here, 1 carry over here. 0 plus 1, 1, plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over on the 1. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 2, 4, and over here it's a 0, so 4, right? So total cost is 409.75. Okay, so that much money she has to give to the shopkeeper. इतने उसको पे करने पड़ेंगे इन शॉर्ट. बट इसमें उसने कितने पे किए हैं? उसने 500 रुपीज की नोट दी है शॉपकीपर को, और हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि हाउ मच मनी वुड द शॉपकीपर रिटर्न, वो वापस कैसे देंगे, दैट मीन्स चेंज. देन सो फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव मेक द टेबल. For the change, over first we write the money. Given money spent. Second row will be like money spent. And the third one is like money return. That is our answer. Sorry. Okay, now let's write that money given is the rupees 500.00. Why we have to write the 00? Because in this one there are 0 मीन्स डेसिमल वाले हैं नंबर्स, इसलिए. डन. मनी स्पेंड कितनी स्पेंड की है? रुपीज 409.75. that we have to subtract. Now let's do the subtraction. 0 plus 5 and not possible. We have to take the borrow from this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. Means we have to take the borrow from the 5. Sorry, this 5 become 4, this 9 this 0 become 9, this 0 become 9, this 0 also become 9, and this 0 become 10. Why this 0 become 10? Because ये सारे यहाँ पे सारे 10 ही आते हैं, बट हम जब उसमें से आगे वाले में से बोरो लेते जाते हैं तो वो एक कम होता जाता है, और यहाँ पे 10 एज इट इज ही रहते हैं, बिकॉज अभी हमें बोरो लेना नहीं होता है आगे वाले डिजिट में, बिकॉज आगे कोई डिजिट है ही नहीं. देन सो नाउ 10 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 2, पॉइंट का पॉइंट, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 0 9, 4 minus 4 0. So money return is rupees 90.25. So that answer we can write in the sentence form at last, that the shopkeeper returned rupees 90.25 to that man. Done? Okay, so that's how we can do this kind of question. Then this is not the bill problem, but I draw it like the bill problem. So I suggest that you write in the question number 4, make a bill for that. Then उसमें आप लिख लेना make a bill for that, because हमने इसमें रिवीजन शीट में एक भी बिल का क्वेश्चन नहीं डाला है, इसकी वजह से. डन. सो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में आप क्वेश्चन के बाद लिख लेना make a bill for that, because we have make a bill for that. Okay, so now in the homework you just have to complete 2 questions only, question number 4 and 5, and with that our chapter number 13 is also completed. Okay, so that's it for today. Today we will learn about the subtraction, then after word problems, then okay. See, this kind of bills maybe came in the day-to-day life, then so many times. आपने इस तरह का बहुत bills देखे होंगे, either in the shopping or you go to the restaurant. Then so it is necessary to know about that. Understood? Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.